In this video, I'm going to show you how to use White Rabbit together with any tracking tool. The setup is pretty much the same throughout, with just one detail that changes when you configure your campaign here. So let's go to the campaign dashboard and create a new campaign. You can name it however you prefer. We'll select the domain for this campaign, and if you haven't added a domain to the tool yet, we have a specific article about how to do that. The traffic source will depend on the plan you are using. I'll use Facebook as an example here, but the process is pretty much the same for all other traffic sources. For the country settings, you'll select according to your ad targeting, so if you're advertising to all devices and worldwide, you can select all here. Now we have the configuration for our safe page, which is the page shown to unwanted visitors such as bots, spying tools, and so on. You just need to enter the URL of this page here. The delivery methods determine how the redirection will happen from your campaign URL, the URL used in your ad, to either the safe page or the offer page URL. We have a specific article here in the Help Center that also explains how they work, but that's not the focus of this video. And now, here in the offer page section, this is where we will enter the URL that will be shown to qualified visitors. In other words, potential customers interested in buying what you're advertising. And if by any chance the tracking tool you use generates a redirect URL for you to use, this is where you should enter that URL. So I registered a sample campaign here in RedTrack just to show you how this process works, but it's the same procedure with any other tracking tool you might be using. And here, my redirect URL from RedTrack was generated. So I'm going to copy it here and let's paste it into a notepad. So here we have the RedTrack URL with RedTrack's parameters. Let's copy only the URL, and here in the offer page configuration, we put the URL from our tracking tool. Once that's done, we save the settings. And here, the URL and the parameters that we should use in our ad have been generated. So I'm going to copy the URL here as well and organize it in the notepad. The parameters too. So here we have the White Rabbit parameters, and now we also have the RedTrack parameters. And we need to use both of them in our ad configuration. So I'm going to copy the RedTrack parameters here, and now after the White Rabbit parameters, we're going to add an ampersand and paste the RedTrack parameters after this ampersand. So this is how we're going to use the URL parameters in our ad configuration. The White Rabbit parameters together with the parameters from the tracking tool you're using, both of them need to be concatenated using the ampersand with no spaces between them and no question mark. The way you use the URL and parameters in the ad depends on the traffic source you're advertising on. Most of them have a specific field for the ad's destination URL and another specific field for the URL parameters, or sometimes it will be called a tracking template. Now, if the traffic source you're using doesn't have a specific field to enter the parameters, just add a question mark and paste the URL parameters after that question mark like this. Usually both ways tend to work, but if the traffic source has a specific field for using parameters, prioritize placing the parameters in that field. And if the tracking tool you use doesn't have a redirect URL, you just need to integrate the parameters with those from White Rabbit. Then, in your campaign settings here in White Rabbit, in the offer page URL field, you will enter the URL of your actual offer page. And this would be an example for you to use with RedTrack in the no redirect model, where a URL is not generated for you to place in your ad, but instead a script that must be installed in the code of your offer page. I'll even install them with you here real quick to show how it works. We go to the files of our site, and here at the end, before the body, we paste our RedTrack script. Just save the configuration and it's ready for you to use in your White Rabbit ad along with any other tracking tool. The parameters go only in your ad, because when a customer clicks on your ad, White Rabbit will redirect these parameters to the URL of your offer page, and with that your tracking tool will be able to correctly track all the information. So that's it. The setup is really simple, there's no secret to it, but if you still have any questions, you can contact our support team through the chat button.